Hey, I just wanted to share a sincere review of Adzoola and also the services of Adzoola's founder, Alex King. So Adzoola is a tool that, for me personally, helps find relevant videos to place my video ads against them on YouTube. All right, and it does way more than that, but that's what Adzoola has been really helpful for me with. I hope I pronounced it right. But so first we talk about Adzoola, second we speak about Alex King. Of course, all the links are in the description to Alex, to his LinkedIn, I guess, or Adzoola at the website. So again, the strategy that I can recommend you, but and also Adzoola has been helpful for me with, is on YouTube. If you do ads, you can, let's say you have some sort of grilling product, all right, a product for grill, right? Let's say this product is a grill, is a nice grill that you've launched. Now you can find videos that speak about other grills and put your ad specifically to appear against these videos. Against, I mean, like, people will be able to watch these videos, and then depends. There's two types of ads on YouTube. One type of videos is video where you get the ad in the beginning of the video, right? The first 5 seconds, you click on skip. So this is one type of video you can use. And the second one is just like a suggested video. So only if people decide to click on your video, so let's say they're watching a video about a Weber grill, and then on the side or nearby on mobile, your ad will appear as the next video to watch. So then people click on the video and they choose to watch it themselves. So again, with Adzoola, you can identify these videos. You can do it manually, of course, but Adzoola can help you save like probably hours of work, because you can, based on certain videos or certain keywords, you can get a plethora of relevant videos where you can put your product ad against them, all right? So let's say you take 500 videos that speak about different grills. You just launched a new grill and you decide that you wanted to have as a suggested video ad, I'll call it, although I think it's called in-feed video ads, I think, or something like that these days, maybe different. And there your ad will appear. So Adzoola as a tool can help you with that. Now, I hope it's clear, and if not, ask questions. In the description, link to Adzoola. I don't have any affiliate kind of partnership with Alex or Adzoola, but if I'll ever have or something, then you have maybe some discount or something. For now, I cannot basically promise something like that. Wait a minute, there's motorbikes coming, so just a second. They're not too loud, so I'll just let them pass, and I hope it's all right. So the second thing, Alex King, the founder of Adzoola, and why I wanted to speak about Alex as well, because I would say probably without Alex, I wouldn't be able to understand the logics of how Adzoola works. Well, I could, but he made it easier. But moreover, not only Adzoola itself, but also how to run the ads. So I took consulting from Alex, probably I would say at least, I don't know, 5-6 hours maybe. And Alex was really helpful in explaining to me generally how Google ads and YouTube ads work. So he's the guy for that, honestly. He has a lot of experience in that. I think over 10, 12 years. Alex, if you're watching, please drop a comment, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think over 10, 12, 15. Alex is well read. It's also interesting to have conversations with him generally. Of course, we also, in the consulting calls we did, we worked on the ads and all that. He can explain, he can actually do it for you. If you go, I think there's less slots for that, but he can, obviously, it's going to be more expensive, but he can do it for you as well. It's going to be a bit less expensive to get a consulting call with him, like 1 hour, 2 hour. Talk to him. He's going to help you. He's going to probably get a good offer for you. And maybe if you mention my name, Vova Evan, that you came through this video, maybe he'll even do a better package for you. I don't know. I'm not guaranteeing. I haven't even spoken of that with Alex, but who knows? But it will still be nice to know that this video somehow helps, find the right people and connect them to the right people. That's, I think, what's most important. So, yeah, Alex King is knowledgeable in his craft of Google ads, YouTube ads, and he was honestly helpful for me as well in terms of creating these ads, understanding the logics of how to do it, and with his software Adzoola, it's easy to find also the right videos to advertise against and I think it can be really nice because ROI on YouTube ads can be decent. Again, they can be negative, it depends on how you do it. It can be positive if you do it well anywhere, any platform, but YouTube is such a platform that, well, at least as far as I understand it, if people are watching something, well, maybe it's the same on Facebook or TikTok, I don't know, don't have much experience there, but if people are watching a video about grills, and maybe, you know, the more, the deeper the video intent, vs the intent of your product, of what it does, the better the conversion can be. Again, let's do it a bit more in depth, I guess. Let's say that your product is not only a grill, let's say, but there is a certain niche in grilling. Let's say it's, you know, maybe meat smokers, a certain type of grill only for smoking meat, and or any other product like this. So then only against meat smoking grill videos you can place your product that specifically is for meat smokers. All right, now let me give you another example. Maybe you are selling you know, in the moment it's hard to find sometimes an example. Creatine powder for men over 50, I don't know. And there's a channel for men over 50 that does bodybuilding advice. You can advertise against that channel also, but also against videos that speak about creatine for men over 50. And you have a special formula for men over 50 or something like that. You understand the logic? I hope. If not, drop a dislike or or drop a like if you do. Anyhow, again, I would recommend you trying Adzoola. Speak to Alex King as well for Google ads, YouTube ads. He's a good fellow, well-read, interesting guy. Interesting to talk to him also. Generally, he can drop you some good book recommendations as well. He's a strong marketer, and there's a lot to learn from him. So my time was well invested with Alex, and I'm grateful. And he cares about you as a client, as a customer, and I think it's cool. Plus, he has Adzoola, which if you're more like a, you know, you just need to do it on your own. Adzoola actually does more than that. That's only one thing I've shared, like how to find basically relevant videos for your YouTube ads, but it has a lot more. So check it out, link in the description. Adzoola, Alex's LinkedIn, I guess. Mention Vova Evan, my name, vovaevan.com, my website, always welcome. Amazon seller since 2016, kind of an entrepreneur online, video creator, traveler, lover of life. Yeah, so I'm wishing you a good life, okay? See you in the next video.